Before we begin discussing some of the individual part modeling features in Onshape, let's take a moment to discuss some basics to feature creation that you'll need to get started. First, in Onshape you have the flexibility of using the entire sketch or any piece of the sketch to create your feature. In this example, if I just click the sketch in the feature list, Onshape assumes that I want to extrude everything in the sketch all at once. It will automatically grab the outside loop of the sketch and any closed loop that touches the outside loop. This logic is a big part of the reason why you don't have to spend a lot of time trimming sketch entities in Onshape. Another important point to make is that you don't have to use the entire sketch for your feature. For example, here I can clear the sketch from the extrude command by clicking the X next to the selection or using the space bar, and then I can select any shaded region within that sketch that I want to extrude. In Onshape, a closed contour that can be used for a feature is shown in a darker shade, and I can click on as many shaded regions as I would like. I can even extrude several parts at once by clicking on several disconnected shaded regions. This touches on a concept of multi-part modeling, which we'll be covering in greater detail in the future. But this also means you can use a single sketch to create several different features. By default, after you accept a feature, the sketch that created that feature is hidden, but it's not consumed by an individual feature like you'll see in many other CAD systems. This is because in Onshape you may use one sketch for several features, or for several parts. So in this example, it's easy to show the sketch by clicking the eye symbol in the feature list, and again clicking the extrude command and choosing another shaded region to extrude. One last thing to mention, these basic details apply to more than just the extrude command. The sweep and revolve command, among others, also work in the same way. Next up, we'll take these basics and apply them to the individual feature types.